Seven little goats and a mother goat used to live in a house. One day, Mama Goat left the house to finish some work. She told the little goats, "Do not open the door for anyone." The little goats assured,
"Don't worry, Mom."
A big bad wolf was listening to all this. After a while, the big bad wolf came to the house and knocked.
"My little babies, your mom is back home. Open the door."
But the youngest goat was very wise. He said,
"Oh, don't open the door. See, this voice is so harsh. It's not like our mama's sweet voice."
Wolf heard this. He knocked again, but with a soft voice. "Kids, I am back home. Please open the door for your mama." The youngest goat noticed the big foot of Wolf.
"Stop! Don't open the door. It's not our mom."
The wolf was very clever. He poured white flour on his feet. "My little baby goats, your mama is back home. Please open the door." "Oh, it's our mom!" And they finally opened the door.
I have been waiting for this for so long. Now I will eat you all.
The wolf jumped in and started to swallow the baby goats one by one. But the youngest goat was hiding in the kitchen cabinet. When the mama goat came back, the youngest goat came out of the kitchen cabinet.
"Mom, the big bad wolf was here. He came in and ate all my brothers and sisters."
Mama goat got worried and she took a pair of scissors with her. Mama goat and the little goat went out to look for the wolf. The wolf was asleep with his tummy full of baby goats. The mommy goat cut the wolf's tummy and took out all the baby goats one by one. And they refilled his stomach with stones and went away. After a while, the wolf got up. The wolf's tummy was so full and heavy that he was unable to move properly.
Oh, my tummy. It is aching. I think I have overeaten those little goats. It is so full. I am thirsty. I think I should drink some water.
As he drooped down to drink water from the well, he lost his balance and fell into the well.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Uga Vugaaa.